Less bone length. Need sinus lift. For dental implant. Osteotomy preparation. For dental implant. Osteotomy. Prepared. 1 to 2 millimeters. From sinus bone. Sequential increase in osteotomy size. Prepared osteotomy. For 4.5 millimeters. Dental implant. Bone graft is being packed into prepared osteotomy. For sinus lift. Bone is pushed with osteotome to act as hydraulic pressure. For sinus lift. Sinus is lifted with gradual bone addition with osteotome. Final osteotomy with lifted sinus membrane. Dental implant placement. Dental implant placement and sinus lift in single surgery.